In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail password. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Your Google Account. You'll be taken to your Google account settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you find the section labeled How You Sign Into Google. In this section, click on Password. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Enter your current password, then click Next to continue. Now, you'll see fields to create a new password. Type your new password into the first box, then retype the same password into the confirmation box to make sure they match. After that, click the blue Change Password button to save your new password. Once your password is updated, Google will automatically sign you out of most devices, including other computers and mobile devices, as a security measure. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Make sure to sign back in on your devices using your new password so you can continue accessing your Gmail and other Google services. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.